Hello, welcome to Goshen High School Tour. Today we are going to continue to trace our pattern 150. If this is your first time joining my channel, this is Goshen High School Tour. My name is Enorita James and I love sewing. And I was able to discover that you can sew without stress using a pattern system that allows you to cut a dress with just 2 measurements. So if this is your first time here, welcome. You've arrived in the right place. That means you love sewing and you want to see how you can sew without too much stress. Welcome. This is a continuation of a video of making this wonderful dress using our pattern. And I'll advise you to go back and watch the other videos so that you can arrive at this one, because this one is the last video for the pattern drafting for this dress. And today we are going to draft the hands and the collar for the beautiful blouse you saw. We are going to do this and this. In my previous videos, we've traced the back pattern, the front pattern of the dress, the back pattern and the front pattern of the blouse. So it is advisable you go and look at those videos, then come back to this one where we are going to trace the hand. We are going straight to work, and for this hand we are going to use my bust measurements. As I told you in my previous videos, when you are tracing anything from your waist upwards, use your bust measurements on the tape, the Lutterloh tape. But if you're tracing anything from the waist downwards, you use your hip measurements without wasting time. Los gate, that means let's move in Dutch. Yes, okay. We are going to trace this hand. So, as you can see, I put my pin on 98, which is my bust measurement, 98 cm. I've told you before how to convert cm to inches in case you're using tape that is inches. Because this tape is in centimeters. The reason that you might need to convert is when you're looking to know the number of materials or the yards of materials you might need to use to make this dress. And I've explained it in my previous videos how you can convert your inches, your centimeters to inches. Okay, we fix our pin. I will just sellotape it down so that it will not move when we are tracing. Just sellotape it down. You can sellotape only 2 places, is okay. I need to sellotape too much. Just 2 places is okay. That's alright. So we'll go ahead immediately and start tracing for the arm. The first thing here is 19. We mark our 19 on the tape. 19, 19.5, 19.5, 16. This one is going to be quite easy because there's nothing complicated here. Just trace the numbers. 15. If you've been following me, this will be very easy for you. You follow me right from the one when we started tracing this. It's 15.5. You discover that it becomes quite easy and quite interesting. 16.5, 17. 16. When you're sewing with Lutterloh pattern, it gives you such perfect fitting. It's amazing. It's really amazing. I can't even remember when I used to sew without Lutterloh. 13.5, 14, 14 is here, 17. You can see the curve of the hand coming out already. You can see it coming out beautifully. 16.5, I'm done. The dots are there. So the next thing is I want to also place it here. If you notice here, okay, let me finish. I'll explain this in case you're not seeing me. That the cross here for the collar is outside the pattern. So at times it happens like that. They show you that this cross here, G, is for the collar. So we bring it, still 98, I've not removed it. Place it on the cross. So right now I'm going to trace for the collar. Go here. The first thing here is 21 and 25. So I'm going to do 2 dots. I'm going to do a dot at 21 and I'm going to do it at 25. This particular line. The next line is 25.5. So 25.5 and then 22, 22, and then 28, $31.5, and then the last one is 29.5. Finished. It's finished. We are finished. Remove it. We are finished. We are finished. Finally, what I will do now is just trace. Trace the curve of the hand little by little. This curve here. You can do it. You can use your hand and just trace it. It's like the ruler was trying to give me a little bit. So dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, here, here, and that's all. Then there's a and then V. This V is very important because it will show you that this is the part that goes to the front part of the dress. It's very important that we have it too. You write that V. Then E is to show that this is the hand. And then the arrow. And then you draw your line here for the sleeve. And then a dot to show that there's a little facing at the edge of the hand. Finished. So let us go over here and join our collar. The collar has a little curve here, just a little curve. So let me just draw it. Make sure you align the dots. See? So we just draw it from here to there. Yes, that is where you're going to fold your material when you're cutting it. That's why it is center. And then it's going to have a facing. We are finished. We are finished. We are finished. We have finally reached the last part of the pattern for this dress. I think I don't know. I think it's up to 5 videos or so of tracing this pattern. So we've eventually finished. This is the last of it. I'm going to cut off all the patterns, and then in my next video I'm going to place my pattern on my material and we're going to do the cutting. And after that, this video is finished. I'll do the sewing. I don't video the sewing. I just do the sewing after I finish sewing and now come and show you the fitting of the sewing. Thank you so much if you've watched the video from beginning till now. I hope that your dress will come out beautifully. And if you have used it, please just show me a photo of your video. Wear the dress, upload it, show it to me. Let me see how it looks like. Thank you so much for being with me and have a very, very, very wonderful day.